Hi, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel, Quietly Be Debt Free. I'm Wanda, and today I want to share with you 8 things that you can do at home while you are inside the house or you're looking for something to do that's fun, and you can save money as well. So, the first thing I want to tell you about is doing a spa day. Plan for it. Let everybody in your family know that you are going to have a spa day. And what you'll need is you'll need cucumbers, you'll need lemons, you'll need water, fruit, and fingernail polish remover, fingernail polish of choice, different colors maybe, so that people can select their colors, and cookies, popcorn, yo-yos, all these different things is what you'll want to use. So let me tell you about it. So you're gonna let everybody know that you're going to have a spa day. And then you're going to start out with doing a massage. So this is the lotion that I recommend. Carry lotion is really good. It makes your skin feel smooth, and it's just a good lotion to use all the time if you want your skin to feel soft and smooth. So get some Carry lotion. Now, it was Teacher Appreciation Week, and so one of my students gave me this. And these are some nice slippers, and then there's a foot wash and a foot lotion. So you can use anything that you like, but you want to just have something so that you can relax and feel like you're at the spa. So you'll get the fingernail polish remover, and then you'll get the polish, and then you'll polish toenails, you'll polish fingernails. When you do the lotion, you're going to put the lotion on, massage the hands, massage the feet, and then make sure that everything feels great. Then, with the cucumbers, you're going to slice the cucumbers, and those will go on the eyes. So you'll lay back, relax on your sofa, on your couch, and then have those cucumbers on your eyes to reduce any puffiness. With the lemon, take the lemon, cut it in half, and then you'll squeeze it or massage your face with the lemon and then rinse it off. It makes your skin feel so cool. So, lemons and cucumbers for that. Then, put the water in the freezer so it gets really cold. Pour the water into the glass, get those wine glasses out, and everybody has their own glass of nice cold water to drink and feel refreshed while you're having spa day. So those are the things for spa day. Then, oh, I almost forgot. You can also just take your favorite bottle of wine. If you want to use wine instead of water, hey, go for it. So you could do wine instead of water. Now, the next thing is baking cookies together. So it doesn't matter how old you are, it's always fun to bake cookies. So this is just regular cookies that I get from the refrigerated section in the grocery store. Only like $2, almost $3. $3 for a fun time of baking cookies. All you have to do is just slice these and then bake them in the oven. Your house smells good, and then you've done something together. You've baked cookies. Have you thought about doing that? Get popcorn. Pop the popcorn. You can also get some pizza, and then you can have a P&P night. Pizza and popcorn, or peanut butter and popcorn. You can do anything like that, but watch a movie together or watch a favorite show. Do something while you're eating the popcorn and peanuts, or popcorn and pizza, or popcorn and peanut butter and jelly. All right, so pizza, popcorn. Then, how long has it been since you had a yo-yo? Get some yo-yos. They're not very expensive at all. And then let everybody practice or have fun playing with the yo-yos. So it's like a yo-yo night. Or you could get Rubik's Cubes or jump ropes or hula hoops according to whether you're inside or outside. But I recommend yo-yos. Have a yo-yo night. Tell me what you think about yo-yo night. And then last of all, the last thing I want to share with you is this. This is the bank that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. And in my other videos, I told you about how you can save money by just putting your coins into a container. It doesn't have to be anything like this. It could just be a regular jar or anything that you want to save coins in. And whenever you get coins, put them into the bank or into the jar. And then for an activity at home that doesn't cost much at all, you could have everybody sit around on the floor, make a big circle, and then pour the coins out into the